Do not boast of your tomorrow, for the dawn may turn to sorrow. Let another sing your name in humble grace. Reject your fame.
Take your fame. Take your fame.
Hearts revealed in mirrors gleam. Truths arise from silent streams. As faces shine through waters still, so man's heart shows his hidden will.
Run the race,
refine the soul.
through the fire make faith whole. Iron sharpens,
Hearts align
in His glory we will shine.
Iron sharpens iron strong. Brothers build where hearts belong. As the furnace tests the gold, so our faith must be made bold. Silver burns, the dross removed. In the test our hearts are proved. Glory not in mortal praise, but in grace. The lights our days.
Run the race,
refine the soul.
through the fire
Make faith whole.
iron sharpens,
Hearts align
in His glory we will shine.
I've shared their pain, that the lost may life regain. All I do for gospel's call, that salvation reaches all. This'll blend this heart of clay, lest I fall along the way. Not for wreaths that fade and die, but for crown beyond the sky.
Run the race,
refine the soul.
through the fire make faith
Whole
iron sharpens,
hearts align
in His glory we will shine. In His glory
we will shine.
in His glory we will shine. In His glory we will shine.